Have you ever stood on the shore watching a gigantic ship glide through the water? It seems impossible, doesn't it? These colossal vessels moving so gracefully almost seem to defy the laws of nature. These massive structures made of tons of steel should sink like a stone, right? The sheer weight alone makes it hard to believe they can stay afloat. Yet they float effortlessly, carrying cargo and people across vast oceans. It's a marvel to witness these ships loaded with thousands of containers gliding smoothly over the waves. It's a testament to the power of science and human ingenuity. Through storms and calm seas, these ships remain steadfast, a true wonder of modern engineering. The secret lies in a fascinating interplay of physics and engineering. The design of the hull, the distribution of weight, and the principles of buoyancy all come together to make this possible. It's about understanding the relationship between an object, the water it displaces, and the forces at play. The balance of these forces ensures that the ship remains afloat. Once we unlock these secrets, we'll see that floating isn't magic. It's pure science. The principles of buoyancy and displacement are the keys to this incredible phenomenon. Imagine a seesaw at the park. To keep it balanced, we need equal weight on both sides. Buoyancy works in a similar way. It's the upward force that keeps objects afloat. This force, called the buoyant force, pushes upward against the object's weight, which acts downward. If the buoyant force is equal to the object's weight, the object floats. If the object's weight is greater, it sinks. It's like a constant tug-of-war between these forces, determining whether something stays up or goes down. The science of flotation. It's a fascinating concept that has intrigued scientists and engineers for centuries. Now let's meet the mastermind behind this floating phenomenon, Archimedes. This brilliant mind from ancient Greece made a groundbreaking discovery that still impacts our world today. This ancient Greek scholar figured out a key principle. The buoyant force acting on an object is equal to the weight of the fluid the object displaces. This principle is fundamental in understanding why objects float or sink. Imagine a bathtub already full of water. When you step in, what happens? Water spills over the sides. This is a simple yet powerful demonstration of Archimedes' principle in action. The amount of water displaced is equal to the volume of your body that's submerged. This concept is crucial in designing ships, submarines, and even understanding natural phenomena. Archimedes realized that the weight of this displaced water is the same as the buoyant force pushing you upward. Eureka! This moment of insight has paved the way for countless innovations in science and engineering. Let's apply this to ships. Ships are marvels of engineering, designed to conquer the vast oceans. A ship, despite its immense weight, is meticulously designed to displace a huge amount of water, ensuring it remains buoyant. The shape of the hull, the part of the ship below the waterline, is crucial. This underwater structure is engineered to perfection. It's designed to push aside as much water as possible, creating the necessary buoyant force. Think about a cargo ship. These vessels are the workhorses of the sea, transporting goods across the globe. These massive vessels carry thousands of shipping containers, each filled with products we use daily. How do they stay afloat with all that weight? The secret lies in their design. Their hulls are designed to be wide and deep, maximizing the amount of water displaced. This clever design is key to their buoyancy. This increases the buoyant force, allowing the ship to carry its heavy load. The principles of physics and engineering come together to keep these giants of the sea afloat. From massive cargo ships to nimble sailboats, the principle of buoyancy keeps them all afloat. By understanding the relationship between buoyancy, weight, and the volume of water displaced, we unlock the secrets of the seas. So, the next time you see a ship gliding across the water, remember the science that makes it possible. It's a beautiful example of how we can harness the laws of nature to achieve incredible things. Science rules.